Japanese beetles are swarming mid-Missouri, literally eating everything in every garden.
It's hard to look at this video. KOMU8's Emma Claybrook tells us how you can combat these devastating creatures.
Japanese beetles are swarming mid-Missouri in the tens of thousands.
Anything you let them go on, they'll devastate.
Kenny Duzan is a retired commercial produce farmer. He sets up small traps on his farm to catch the beetles.
On some days, there's just clouds of them coming in here.
The pests eat up his asparagus, cypress trees, ferns, wild grapes, and hibiscus plants. A few miles down the road at Bradford Research Center, a team is trying to figure out how to control the massive population of Japanese beetles. They set up huge traps made of netting that have pheromones to attract the beetles and a non-toxic chemical called pyrethroid to kill them.
So our hope is to catch them as they're moving between the forest and the soybeans during the day.
These chewed-up leaves you may have seen littering Mizzou's campus are also victims of the Japanese beetles. They can eat more than 300 species of plants. The beetles eat the leaves, causing them to look like little lace doilies. The reason for so many bugs? There aren't any natural predators to kill them.
They can eat ornamentals, they can eat flowers, they can eat fruit, vegetables, soybeans, grasses. They eat all kinds of stuff.
Duzan buys his traps from local garden centers, and while they work for his small farm, Althoff advises against using pheromone traps if you just have a small garden.
We do recommend, if you have a smaller garden or a smaller yard, is just hand picking them off of plants and putting them into a bucket of soapy water and then disposing of them.
Duzan has his own special method.
Okay, here we go.
Japanese beetles, now a favorite treat for Duzan's fish.
Everybody's getting good and fat off these stupid beetles that are invading us.
Will the invasion ever end? Althoff says no.
And each female beetle, after they mate, can lay 40 to 60 eggs in the course of 4 to 6 weeks.
That means a lot of fish food for Duzan. Emma Claybrook, KOMU8 News, Columbia.
Is anybody else's skin crawling a little bit after watching that? Well, the beetles won't be gone anytime soon. They emerge from early May to late July, live for 30 to 45 days, and won't be gone until early October. Kenta.